Hello YouTube. I've been to head to the store to do a little grocery shopping because I'm doing some barbecuing tonight. So I just want to do a little something different this time. Because y'all seen the idle videos and all this other stuff I do with this car. So today I'm going to try to do a driving video. So you know what it sounds like on the inside of the car. And if this turns out pretty good, I'll try to get some outside driving videos, hook up a GoPro to the back, drive around the neighborhood, get on the freeway or whatever, and show you what the car sounds like on the street from outside the car. But right now, let's see if we can get this inside video thing going. This is me cold start right now. Hasn't been running since last night. So let's see what this sounds like. It's cold. It's about 1500 RPM. It'll take a minute or two to warm up and it'll idle back down. But right now it's at about 1500. And it's loud. So if you got to go to work in the morning like I do, the neighbors ain't going to like you too much. So let's get this thing warmed up so we can start going. Here we go. Here we go. It does drone a little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, this sounds pretty good. It drones a lot inside the car. So, but I like it. I like the way it sounds. Okay. Well, getting on the freeway. Okay, we're going about 70 RPM. It's about 2500. Drones a little bit. Let me get the RPM to about 2000. Okay, we're going about 2,000 RPM, about 60 miles an hour. Not bad sounding, not bad at all. It's a little droney, but hey. Whack the red light. And there's the idle. Well, that's it. If you like this video and want me to do some outside videos, give this video a like and leave a comment. Until then, I'll see you.